Hi, this is Swathiramya, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Engineering. So let's discuss about the ChatGPT. ChatGPT, obviously, you know very well, it was being developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is a state of art it was being derived from NLP model. And it was developed in the year 2017, or maybe you know all these details. So how it has been working, let's see. ChatGPT uses transformer based design which allows it to process and generate the text in the remarkable human like manner. See, whatever you are giving input, it will give back as humans. The response will be like a human, other human communication. See, it is done with the help of artificial intelligence. Obviously, that is the NLP. NLP is a part of AI, right? So let's see how the ChatGPT has been working by step. So what is the first step we will do with the ChatGPT? First step will be, we will give the input, right? We will give step 1 is input text. The process starts with when you provide some text as an input to the ChatGPT. This text can be a question or a statement or any form of written communication. That is the first step. Then what it will do, it will take the text as an input, and it will start the processing. Second step will be the tokenization. Already we've been discussing about what is tokenization, what is the use of tokenization in NLP. So tokenization means in the ChatGPT it breaks down the input text into the smaller units called tokens. These tokens can be a word, punctuation marks, or even the part of words depending upon the model of the vocabulary. Next, first we got the input as a text, then we divide the sentence or words into small tokens. Next we are going for embedding. Each token is then converted into the numerical representation, that is called embedding. This embedding captures the meaning and the context of the token in relation with the surrounding text. See, it according to its context, it try to understand the meaning of that word. That is called embedding. Okay. Next we try for contextual understanding. It will take the literally different meanings of the word, then we try to understand according to the context. That is contextual understanding. ChatGPT, what kind of thing will be used for contextual understanding? In ChatGPT, it uses transformer architecture to analyze and embed the input tokens into the context of the entire sentence or paragraph. Here it uses the transformer architecture, which helps us to analyze the tokenized word, or helps us to understand the contextual meaning of that word. It's pay attention to the relationship between the tokens. Relationship between two words. Based on that relationship only, it can try to understand the contextual meaning. Why it's so important? You see, if you take a word run, it can have a different meaning at the different places. For example, I am running towards the bus stand. Here the meaning of the run was literally I'm running. Actual, it says actual meaning. The milk is running out. Here the meaning of run was not running, okay, it's not action. Here the meaning of run was it is getting empty. Okay, so the meaning of the word has been depends on the place where it is. This is called contextual meanings. It is very important when you go for a natural language. You cannot literally take actual language from the dictionary part. So it has different meanings also. So this contextual understanding is very important step in NLP, and also in any applications of NLP. Next it goes for the prediction. So based on its understanding, based on its embedding and contextual understanding of the input text, ChatGPT predicts the most likely next token or a sequence of tokens. It tries to put together the tokens, the words from its understanding, and it does this generation. How it does these things? It will try to do this with the help of probability. generating the probabilities of each possibility tokens in its vocabulary. Where it will have a sequence of, it will not have a sequence of words, we divide them into the tokens, right? So it will try to put together these words to make a sentence with the help of probabilities. With the help of the probability things, it will put all together and will try to find the actual meaning or actual prediction of what the user pretend to say. So taking into the account the context provided by the preceding tokens. Okay. Next, final output generation. Finally, the ChatGPT selects the token with the highest probability as the next part of text and add it to the output sequences. It will take which has highest probability and it will move on to the next output sequences. With the help of the output sequence, it try to understand the meaning of it. This process is repeated. It is like iteratively. It is done iteratively by using, it is like loop process. Okay, until end of the sequence, it is a loop process with each new token influencing the generation of the sequence token until the desired length of output text is reached. Until you find the end of the text, the process has been repeated.